ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kubladon kumasan postemi bat ka pau baha ka khot admission na kabunta ka nursing and paramedical course yiki jingte bakhambanya kol hakini ki number harum
ka Ophis jong Chief Commissioner of Income Tax Shillong harangkat ka jingi trailang bat ka Central Board of Direct Taxes New Delhi kan sa Pynlong ya ka Taxpayers Hub balai Sngi hanong ba Shillong. Habay ekran bat kilat patay khubor uba DAJ Saukmi u Principal Commissioner of Income Taxes Shillong. Ulaong bayakan ni ka Taxpayers Hub balai Sngi on Pynlong ha Shillong Club kata naduk ka Shipau tarik haduk ka khat tarik mentau bunai jeliu. Shushu uba Saukmi ulaong ba ka jing Pynlong ya kan ni ka Taxpayers Hub kalong ban ajing tip siya kipat ba halor ki jing don kam ha ka bayadai bat kan ni ka benta.
So basically, the basic intent behind this Taxpayers Hub is to create an awareness amongst the citizens, to provide a platform to address to any grievances which the normal citizens have, and to give our services and to project a very friendly and warm image of the department, Income Tax Department.
The Income Tax Department will be holding a Taxpayers Hub in Shillong from the 10th to the 12th of June 2024. This Taxpayer Hub will be held, the location will be at the Shillong Club, and this Taxpayer Hub would be inaugurated by our Principal Director General of Income Tax, Srimati Archana Chaudhary. She is in charge of Administration and Taxpayer Service. And the basic objective of this Taxpayers Hub is to disseminate information about the Income Tax Act to the taxpayers and also to promote voluntary compliance of the Tax Act. Now, Taxpayers Hub is a unique initiative of the Directorate of Public Relations, Publication and Publicity, Central Board of Direct Taxes. Now, in this Taxpayers Hub, we'll be using many innovative methods to spread across this message. The Taxpayer Hub will be spread over 3 days, and inauguration would be on Monday, that is the 10th, at 12 noon. It will be inaugurated by our Principal Director General, Srimati Archana Chaudhary. It will be attended also by our Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, Northeastern Region, Srimati Chaitali Panme, and also by the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, Shri Shrikant Ambasta. Now, the Taxpayers Hub is a unique, dynamic platform, and its basic objectives are 3. The first is education, second is information, and the third is taxpayers redressal of grievances. Now, as far as education is concerned, this Taxpayer Hub will not only educate the taxpayers, but also educate our youth, because our youth are our future taxpayers. And we have invited many schools, and we expect a good attendance from the schools themselves, because we want to educate our future taxpayers about the responsibility of paying taxes. And as you all know, the youth are the future of this country. Now, apart from education, there will also be special kiosks erected to give information about various provisions of the Income Tax Act. Now, as you know, in Meghalaya, the tribals are exempted from income tax under Section 2026 of the Act. But along with this exemption comes certain statutory compliances that have to be made to claim this exemption. As you all know, the income tax has used information technology in a big way in order not only to improve taxpayer services, but also to check tax evasion. Now everything income tax is done online. Now if you want to file a return, you can't file physically as it was done a decade back. It has to be done online. And in order to file a return, you have to register yourself in the income tax website. So in this Taxpayers Hub, there will be facilities also for new taxpayers to get themselves registered on the income tax website. Because many people in Shillong are not registered at this website. Secondly, we will be also distributing brochures and pamphlets to educate the taxpayers, especially the tribal taxpayers and the tribal population, of their obligations under the Income Tax Act. You know, most of the grievance in Meghalaya as far as tribal taxpayers are concerned and tribal assessees are concerned are because of ignorance. The ignorance about the Act. The Income Tax Department has got a lot of information because they use data mining. We get information from the banks, we get information from the various authorities, the DTO. So we have a huge bank of information. And then sometimes we want to verify this information that we receive. For example, if there are huge cash transaction or bank account, we would like to verify it. And verification is sent online. So we send it through email or we send it through your SMS. Now most of the SSCs here, they have not updated their email or they have not updated their mobile numbers. So some of the notices are not adhered to, and as a result this leads to a lot of complications. So these are other issues would be discussed, and our team, the Income Tax Department consisting of senior officials, will be there to handle any queries that come from our taxpayers.